Hey, also I figured we'd do a little catch-up video to see how these crested geckos are doing because these are ready to fly now. Um, we'll be bringing the majority of them to the Central Valley Reptile Expo unless there are other interested parties that see this video. These guys are ready to fly. So this is the first individual. Great coloring, great patterns. Very jumpy. And here is the second individual. Definitely got some pink going on there. Same with this one. Looks like we got some orange in there too. Maybe even some green. Yeah, the girls did awesome. Smog too. Arwin, Elwing, Smog, they're all the parents. This is another one of Elwing's babies. And this appears to have some pink, if not lavender. Some orange from Smog there. And here's another stunner. Fantastic. So we'll do a separate video showing you the rest of the individuals. Like I said, all these guys are ready to fly. They will be joining us at the Central Valley Reptile Expo if there are no other interested parties. We'll catch you guys in another video.